What's up, y'all, and welcome back to another video. This video is dedicated to all my natural hair girlies, including myself, and I'm about to put y'all on. We all know how hard it is to actually get a silk press and make it last. So I think I done cracked the code to the natural girl horror story when it comes to silk presses. I got the Doux on deck, okay? And today I'm going to give you guys a step-by-step tutorial on what I did to achieve the bombest silk press I've ever done in my entire life. First things first, I like to dunk my hair in water, and look at that, I got a bobby pin hidden in my hair. Are you even a natural girl if you don't got bobby pins hidden in your head? So I like to dunk my head in water, make sure I get like all of the residue from doing my edges, and I like to detangle my hair before I even start shampooing to avoid any tangling. And this is going to take me to step number 1. We have the Press Rewind Curl Retention Shampoo. You want to apply a good amount to your scalp and you want to let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure you're working it through from your scalp to your ends. And y'all, let me fill y'all in. It smells so good and delicate when you're washing your hair. Just make sure you catch a whiff of it while you got it in your hands, okay? Because it smells absolutely amazing. Make sure you work it through your scalp real good, okay? As you can see, I can even rake my hands through my hair. You know, usually sometimes shampoo be making your hair feel stringy and dry. Not this one. So then you're going to rinse it on out, and we're going to move on to the next step, which is fast forward the heat prep conditioner. Now, I was actually reading the steps to let it sit in your hair for 3 to 5 minutes, which I absolutely love because that is something I've done with my natural hair for the longest when it comes to my wash routine. I love to apply conditioner in my hair and just let it sit 3 to 5 minutes or even longer. Our scalp is clean, our hair is fresh, we can still run our fingers through our hair, which is absolutely amazing. Y'all see the curls, y'all see it. The next step is the silent treatment, okay? This is a 30-day thermal protectant spray, okay? This is also a anti-humidity pre-treatment. So as you guys can see, it's recommended that you section your hair 4 to 6 sections. Once you're done sectioning your hair, then you want to pull out your handy dandy silent treatment and do 1 to 2 pumps within your hair and then comb it, like detangle it, make sure it's evenly distributed. Okay, you always want to make sure your hair is evenly distributed so that all your strands can have the product on it. Now me, I'm just going ahead twisting it back up and clipping it back up so that my hair can stay in sections. Once we're done with step number 3, we're going to move on to step number 4, which brings us to the prepped and soften step, and we have here the Just Glaze. All right, so you want to distribute a small amount throughout your clean wet hair, okay? Make sure your hair is still in the 4 to 6 sections, and then we're gonna get ready to blow dry. So as you guys can see, I'm focusing a lot on my roots because that's where I tend to get, you know, the little puffy roots, and I ain't trying to have that. And I'm making it my business that I use these products properly, okay? So now we're moving on to the blow drying part. I like to use this handheld blow dryer. Well, ain't all blow dryers handheld. And I'm going to use it on the medium setting, and I'm going to just dry my hair. Y'all should know how to dry your hair, right? Okay. Boom, the hair is dried and blown out and laid to the side, okay? Get into it. Y'all see it, we got a lot of hair on our head. Now we're gonna get to the flat ironing step, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you grab your own little flat iron, whichever one you want to use. It's recommended that you use heat between 380 to 410 for the best results. You see, I done bumped that thing to 450, because one thing about it, my hair don't play that, so I ain't gonna play by my head. That brings me to step number 5, prevent heat damage. We got the OPP, the one pass press. Okay, it's supposed to soften your hair and only allow you to pass that flat iron one time, okay? And you want to make sure you shake it lightly before you spray it into your hair and just mist it over your dry hair. I'm actually stroking it through my strands of my hair because y'all, I'm very serious about getting this done right. Okay, so I'm gonna get me a small little section. Y'all see my sections how they is because I want to make sure I'm getting the roots real good. But get into it. Look at this. Look at that. That is just magical. I was so surprised because not even when I used to do my own flat iron, my own silk presses at home, did they come out like this in one pass. Like I had to do 4-5 times before I even get a straight little strand. So I'm gonna show y'all again because I was just in disbelief. I had to run it back one time. Hold on. Yeah, she's really like that for real. Still in disbelief. So I'm gonna let this play so y'all can see how good of a product that OPP is. That's probably my favorite product. I know it's a whole little system, but that's probably my favorite product right there. So I just wanted to chime in real quick. I'm going to use this very, very teeny weeny itty bitty little Kiss flat iron so that I can get them edges and them little baby hairs that begin on my nerves because I am too scared to pass that big flat iron by the front of my face. I done had too many traumas. I got PTSD when it comes to flat irons by my face. I done burnt myself so many times. But yeah, we not even done yet. But this got me feeling myself. It got me flirting with y'all. Hold on, y'all. I have to pause and interrupt and speak on this because y'all, look, I've never had a silk press that I've done on my own that stayed this straight without it getting frizzy while me doing the rest of my head. Like, this is the straightest I've seen my hair without it getting frizzy. And I had to step outside real quick because the package arrived. So like, look at it, like you can even still see the gloss in the hair. Literally just one pass and that is all. I'm not even the one to boast about products like that, but this is a hair system or like a system you would want to get the perfect silk press at home. We're not even done, okay? We're not even done, but we get in there and it looks doggone good, okay? Like, get into it. Look at the shine. Look at the shine. Y'all, the hair is laid and slayed. Get into it. Y'all can see the gloss in my hair, the straightness in my hair. Ain't no frizz, no puffiness in sight. This is what I live for. When I say I'm doing a silk press at home, this is what I'm talking about. But you know me, I'm not really a straight hair girly all the way. So we're going to go ahead and add some curls in there, okay? curls looking about juicy and fine AF. Okay, that leads me to the last step to shine and strengthen. We got the Doux drops. Make sure that you're gonna spray it 12 inches from your hair 3 to 4 times, okay, for an all over light shine. When I tell you I love this, I love it. Still, this is day 2 of me having my silk press in my head, and it looks absolutely amazing. I haven't had to pull out my flat iron or anything. I absolutely love this look. I love this product. I love this whole entire thermal system. Okay, get y'all the Doux press play thermal styling system, okay, so y'all could get y'all silk presses done at home and y'all don't gotta pay nobody else. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. As always, I love y'all, and until the next one, peace.